In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply find the actual DoorDash promo codes that works right now. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first open up google.com and in the search bar enter DoorDash promo code, and now there you can find any of websites that contains promo codes. Let it be the first one, and here I got promo code for $10 off when you spend $15 and more. I can hit there at more details, and there it says that I can redeem this code with your mobile app or desktop. And also there are 19 more coupon codes. I can get up to 50%. There I can hit add more details, and it says that you can apply this code when you order from Cheesecake Factory, Little Caesars, Buffalo Wings, and blah blah blah. And also there you can check other promo codes, and once you have selected some, you can hit there at get code, and now you can just hit there at copy, and next you can hit there at view discount at DoorDash, and it brings up us to DoorDash, and now there I can add some food to my cart and then apply my promo code. Make sure your promo code has been applied before you will actually pay for your order. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.